FX, and how you guys doing? If you have been following up on our YouTube, on our social media platforms, you see us updating on some few pairs which are happening, which are currently what's making the market flow very, very well. And trust me, this is the right time to trade. All right, so guys, let me just give you a gist. But before I move on, please, I would like you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and be part of the family. Always get updated. And also, there's an incoming June mentorship session which is happening in June, and currently registration is going on, and it ends on 31st of this month, May, 31st of May. And so it's just $99 and you can be part. Okay, if you want the special offer, just check up for the number under the description, or you see somewhere in the screen. All right, so let's move ahead. So I just want to brief you on some of the pairs currently what is doing. Okay, there are some potential setups which are happening, which are going to drop very massively, over 1,000 pips into the future. All right, so let's look at one or two of them. So stay tuned and let me show you this. All right. So as you can see, I've been talking about DXY. I've been talking about DXY for over like last month, all what I have seen on DXY. And trust me, with the JPD strategy, that is what I use for my analysis, right? So I'm very, very, very concentrated on GPD strategy, right? So that is what I use for my analysis. All right. So there's a way you can enter this market, and you can see I have projected the market is going up, right? The market is pushing to the top, and it's currently moving. So we are still expecting more moves coming into the market when the market hits these levels. Okay, when the market hits this resistance level. Okay, so currently it's confirmed we are moving to that top. Okay, so currently you can see that I've been projecting on my Telegram channel. So if you're not part of the Telegram channel, guys, you have to join this Telegram channel and be part. So check somewhere in the description or just the comment section. You see the Telegram channel. You can join it and be a part of the listen. So guys, I told you this week, since last week, I told you the market DXY is bullish, right? I told you DXY is bullish, and DXY is actually bullish in the market. Okay, so far, if DXY is bullish, that means dollar is strong. And if dollar is strong, other pairs are going to be weak. Simple as that. Look, keep your trading very simple. Don't let people confuse you anyhow. Keep it very simple, right? You don't keep it simple, get JPD strategy. Look, you might be making yourself a bigger mistake, okay? So you have to get this JPD strategy. All right, so let's move ahead. Like I told you, let's analyze JPY basket. And JPY basket stands for what? JPY basket is simple. It stands for what? It stands for JPY pairs, Japanese yen pairs. Okay, so when this one is also what weak, that means all JPY pairs are going to be weak. All Japanese is weak, Japanese yen is weak. So if Japanese yen is weak, that is what? That means the market is what? Dropping. And so that means you have to go against what? So currently, JPY basket is weak. I've been seeing on my Twitter handle app, my people are doing, you see someone projecting that on JPY, and I'm like, wow, these people are making a big mistake. Guys, look, if you are even a pro, you still need to learn, right? You still need I see pro traders posting nonsense. Sorry to say, but it's pure rubbish. So guys, learn the right way to trade, okay? Learn the right way to trade. And you become very successful, right? This year is very good. This year is very good. Look, trading gives you peace of mind, right? Peace of mind. If you know how to select the right pairs, know how to enter the right point, that is when you can identify that you have become a very good trader. Look, most of you don't know that these candles we are looking at, they are communicating with us. The candlesticks which are printed down, they communicate with us. I'm just looking at massive entries, massive moves at the right time, at the right place. And you have to what? Get the JPD strategy to be able to guide you to be able to trade very, very well. So let's move ahead. Like we said, JPY basket is weak. That means all what? Japanese yen are going to be what? Weak. So we are projecting what? Buys on what? So CAD JPY, I'm projecting a buy. I'm projecting a buy on CAD. And I told you guys, if you watch the previous videos, I told you that CAD JPY is on what? On a buy move, because Japanese yen on the JPY basket is weak. So if Japanese yen is weak, what happens? It's simple, right? It's simple. So that means CAD is going to be what? Very strong. Okay. So CAD is going to be strong. And in as much as it's strong, we can be getting more moves. Though when the market is moving up, it doesn't mean it won't come down. If you come down a little, move up more. Okay. So we are projecting more buyers on what? CAD JPY. So if you are looking to sell CAD JPY, look, you are making a terrible mistake. You have to go opposite, go for CAD JPY buy. Okay. Don't go for distance. So like I said, and CHF JPY, when we are looking at CHF JPY2, let's see what's going to happen. CHF JPY2 is also projecting a buy. I've been talking about this several times. So look, even if you are trading, from tomorrow, just now going, look for buys. Don't sell. Guys, listen to me attentively. Look, if you check my previous video, you see me telling you guys that you hear me saying that CHF JPY, we are projecting a buy. This market was somewhere here, and I was still saying, look, be buying, buy, look for buys on this, look for buy on CHF JPY. People don't take this serious. Look, if you have come across this YouTube channel, you should find yourself very lucky, because you are going to get accurate information and nothing less but the accuracy. Guys, let's move on. All right. Okay. So let's move to odd card is one of my beautiful pairs I'm looking out, and it's also giving me a very good format, and I'm looking for sales. Currently I'm looking for sales, guys. So you can see that these plays have been violated, right? These have been violated, and this is where we will do our decision time. Okay, decision time, and we have what we look out for. Look, a dot, just a dot like this, but can make you a millionaire in the forex market, right? Just a dot can make you a millionaire in the forex market if you know how to interpret and understand the language of the dot, what it tells you, what it means. So like I told you, these candlesticks that are printing talks, they are communicating with us, but most people don't understand the language of what this market or what these candles are printing out for us, and that's why they are always making more mistakes, more bad trade setups and other stuff. But look, if you are here, you should count yourself very lucky. So odd card, I'm projecting what over it's called odd card is straight. We are moving down, and I'm already in some trades running currently, and I'm projecting up to what 300 pips and 300 pips currently. And after 300 pips, we might move more further down to about 400 pips and other stuff. But currently, my target is a 300 pip move. Guys, if you are hearing for the first time on Point FX, know that we are projecting odd card 300 pips move. So if you are looking to sell, you are comfortable to sell. Look for the opportunities and sell at the right time. Look, I always tell you, don't say you know all. Take your time, learn, join, learn, join, learn, join. So guys, is this an advantage for you to take it and join the mentorship coming up in June, just this June next month, right? So this is an opportunity for you. So if you are watching, just join, learn this, and this is a special offer giving out. Learn it and become good forever and ever. Anywhere you are in the world, you can trade. Look, I have placed a trade. I don't care again. My trade is running for pips, a lot of pips, right? It's running, and I'm comfortable, right? Because the JPD strategy is telling us that what we should keep holding for sales. Don't panic. It's going for sales. So if it's going for sales, what is your problem? Most people are just there to confuse you, tell you that look, the market is going to buy. Look, if you are watching all this TikTok, someone will be explaining pure rubbish, right? And that is not the way to trade. So most at times, look, I'm also on TikTok. So guys, on Point FX on TikTok, just check, you see me on Point FX on TikTok, and you can be also join me very soon. I'll be doing live analysis there, and you can also learn one or two things from that side. Okay, so let's move on. Let me tell you what is coming on, what is coming up. Okay, so guys, like I told you, we are also projecting a what odd USD odd USD, odd USD currency has violated what everyone know this. It's violated our what? It was consolidating on a very for the past how many months? Like for the past like 2-3 months now, the market has just been consolidating. So now the market has broke out of our zone here, and we are looking towards move for more further to the downwards direction, right? So if you are looking at, I give a signal on the free Telegram channel. That's why I encourage you to join the free Telegram channel so that you can be able to also catch some of the move and learn one or two. Guys, don't take this for a joke. You have to join the JPD strategy mentorship, which is coming on in June. So join now, make your bookings, and you are good. And you are going to learn incredible, right? If you need a what special one-on-one, hit up, just WhatsApp, please. WhatsApp, no calls, please. Those of you that are calling, just kindly WhatsApp, okay? Because when you are calling, it might not be answered, and you might think this. But if you WhatsApp, there's a what customer care 24/7 ready to attend to you for your what registration. So just WhatsApp the number and you'll be able to what join, right? So let's move ahead, guys. Let's move ahead. In trading, all you have to understand is how to enter a trade and when to close a trade and what the market is communicating to you. Understand the language, and that is all. Don't let anyone confuse you. Listen to me attentively. Listen to me attentively. So anywhere you are in the world and you are looking to learn how to trade, you are having difficulties, or you are even a pro and you want to get more knowledge, this is a whole system I'm telling you about. You want to get more knowledge on this and that, you have to join and become part and learn one or two things. Learning just a dot can make you a millionaire. Don't wait till the time is over, because this offer coming next month, you might not get it. It's a discounted amount, and guys, you have to. So let's move ahead. My passion is to make you understand the market and don't be making loss. Now you make a trade, you make profit, tomorrow you make loss, profit, loss, profit, loss. No, don't do that. Take your time, stop, pause the trading, come learn, right? Invest in your skill, invest in your knowledge, invest. Once you invest, then you execute. Don't be in a hurry to make money. People posting profit here. Look, they are not making money. They are just trying to blind you so that you might think your psychology will tell you that, look, I can also make you open anyhow loss size, and you are blowing your money back to back. Trust me, you might be surprised. It's not even this thing. They are not even trading. They are not traders. Most people you see on the internet posting anything anyhow, they are not making any money, guys. They are not making any money. You see them posting, they are not making any money. Listen to me attentively. Take your time, pause, learn the skill, and come back. I took 1 year off just to learn how to trade. 1 year off to build this JPD strategy. I'm telling you right now, without making a dollar, right? A whole year without making a dollar. And trust me, it was worth it. So guys, I'm here to tell you that just don't be in a hurry to make money. There are more days, more years ahead. Take your time. It's not going to go. You go to school for 4 years, other school even for 7 years, when they are doing medicine and other stuff, and still continuing upgrade. Look, you are taking just some few months, days to learn this, and your life is going to what? Printing of money. And you don't want to learn it. Guys, what's happening? What's wrong? Take your time. Okay, so let's move ahead. This is a short advice I'm giving to you, because when you invest in your knowledge, you are going to go far. So all USD, I'm looking at another look. All USD is going to drop massively. Where is dropping to? Guys, it's going to be terrible. Like, I'm looking at 1,000 pips currently on odd USD, right? Well, let me just say, okay, currently let's not be too greedy, right? Let's just go for 500 or